and welcome to HCN Evening News Bulletin with me, Clarissa Camelo. Let's take a look at the top stories for today. The PWD minister admitted his fate to open the first lane of the Zuari Bridge by December 19th. But this admission does nothing to the sufferings of the people who are stuck for an hour in the morning and evening crossing the Siridao to Kortalam stretch. People are missing flights daily too. But do you know who made the promise in the first lane? The Union Road Transport and Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari.
PWD Minister Deepak Pauskar admitted that the state government will not be able to fulfill its assurance of opening up one lane of the new Zuari Bridge. The government will also be missing its deadline for completing the repair work of Atal Setu Bridge arm from Mersey Circle. Pauskar said that the work will not be finished by November 20th as stated earlier due to the recent rainfall that had caused further delay. Pauskar, however, stated that except for the two bridges, all the other highway-related work will be completed by December 19th. He said hot mixing of all state roads would be completed by the end of the year, and 85% of the work of fixing the potholes had been completed as on November 1st.
डेली लागता मरे भाई.
किती दिवस झाले तुमका?
आता हे कामाक लागून 4-5 दिवसा तरी झाले डेली ट्रॅफिक.
सध्या दिवाळीच्या हेका लागून हांगा खूब गर्दी भायले लोक आयिल्ले आसा आनी ताका लागून गर्दी जाल्या. तशेंच हांगा समा मुखर्जी हेतून आमच्या हॉलान जे प्रोग्राम आसा पळय त्या प्रोग्रामाक लागूनय ही गर्दी चड वाडल्या. कित्याक सांग थंय खूब बशीचे बशी वता आनी ताका लागूनय येवपा वचपाक हो आतां प्रॉब्लेम जाला अशें म्हाका तर दिसता. आनी भाडी मारपाच्या लोकांकूय सदांच त्रास जाता न्ही.
गव्हर्नमेंटाची कितें मागणी आसा तुमचे कडेन?
गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन म्हाका अशें दिसता की हे जे रस्ते आहा पळय ते तेणीन चडान चड बेगीन हें करचें. म्हणजे सगळ्या रस्त्याचेर पळय खड्डे बिड्डे आहा पळय ते तेणी रस्त्याची सगळे बरी हे करून सोय करून बेगीन म्हणजे इलेक्शना पयलीं काय म्हाका दिसना हें पॉसिबल आसत म्हणून. पूण तेणी करचें अशें म्हाका तरी दिसता.
गेले आसा चड सारकें पेट्रोल बी सारकें सारकें.
पॅसेंजरची फ्लायट बी चुकलेली आहे तुमका?
चुकला जाय चुकला कोणा डिलिव्हरी आला प्रॉब्लेम आहे सारकें.
म्हणजे आता सध्या ट्रॅफिक तरी आसत न्हू.
कितले
काल म्हणजे एसान डेली ट्रॅफिक आहे.
डेली कस्टमर का फ्लाइट टूटता बहुत तकलीफ होता.
कितने बार आपको ऐसा लगा है ये ट्रैफिक जैम?
आज 1 बीट से सही हो रहा है.
केन्ना तुम्ही कंप्लीट जाता नॅशनल बीच जाले
काम आमचे 40 मतदारसंघात हांवें सदांच आतांच म्हाजी इंटरव्यू घेतल्या. आतांच पत्रकार भाव मेळ्ळेलो म्हाका. आमी 19 डिसेंबर पयलीं 2021 नॅशनल हायवे कामां जी ऑनगोईंग आसा ती कंप्लीट करतले फ्रॉम पत्रादेवी टू वेर्ना, तशेंच वेस्टर्न बायपास, तशेंच वास्को वेर्णापुरी टू सडा ही हे जे नॅशनल हायवेचे एलिवेटेड ब्रीज चलता, एट-ग्रेड रोड चलता ही कंप्लीट करतले. स्टेट हायवे जे आसा, इंटरनल विलेज रोड जे आसा, शहरी रोड जे आसा, MDR जे आसा मेजर डिस्ट्रिक्ट रोड हे जे आसा हे आमी 31 डिसेंबर पयलीं आमी कंप्लीट करपाचें आमचें टार्गेट आसा.
Has Kalangut become Colombia? The supposed Congress-bound BJP Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo has met with a strong challenge to his entry into the Congress by local leaders, calling him Pablo Escobar, then infamous drug warlord of Colombia. Former Kalangut MLA Agnello Fernandez and Sarpanch Joseph Sequeira have threatened to write to the Congress High Command that Michael Lobo is involved in illegal activities. They also said that they will write to NCB and other concerned authorities to initiate action against business deals of Minister Michael Lobo. Watch.
ड्रग्साचो इश्यू काढून सोदतालो असेंब्लीन. हो मायकल लोबो तेका सांगता मातशें काड नाका म्हणून. एन आतां पळय तिकेटी सोदता तो हेंच्यो कालांगूट, शोलीम आनी म्हापसा. सो इज ट्राय टू कंट्रोल दॅट रूट सारको. म्हापसासान देंवता ते सगळे येता. म्हापसान सप्लाय अंजुना कालांगूट. सो ह्यो 3 पयलो. सो हें सेक्युअर जाल्या उपरांत मागीर फुडें डिस्ट्रिब्युशन. ह्यो 3 तिकेटी हें करता तो. आनी सालिगांव नाका तेका. सालिगांव नाका, पोरवोरी तें पडलेलें ना तेका. ह्यो 3. सो ही सेक्युरिंग हीज ड्रग रूट. सारको पाब्लो एस्कोबार. सारकी आयडिया सारकी एवरीथींग एज पर दॅट नार्कोज पळय आहा न्हू तेची सारकी फॉलो करता तो. कंट्रोल द ड्रग रूट, ड्रग ट्रेड, मागीर सप्लाय फुडें ते थिंगा आसताले मेडेलिन कार्टेल आनी हिंचे कार्टेल आहा तो हो आपणाचे कार्टेल केलो तेणें. बट व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट दॅट ही एडवायज पालयेकार नॉट टू स्पीक ऑन ड्रग्स हे जे मिनिस्टर MLA ओथ घेता आमचे गोंया राखतले म्हणून हो सांगता ड्रग्सांचेर उलय नाका म्हणून पालयेकाराक इट इज हीज वर्ड्स नाल्यार पालयेकाराचेर एक्शन घेवपाचें हो फोटी मारता जाल्यार आय थिंक ED एंड NCB शूड डू ए थरो इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑन दीस कित्याक व्हडले रॅकेट हांगा चल्ला पळय ते एंड मायकल शूड बी ब्रॉट टू बुक आनी व्हडले ड्रग डिलर पळय आहा ड्रगांक हें करता ताका भितर उडोवंक जाय मायकल शूड नॉट बी इन द असेंब्ली ही शूड बी इन जेल ड्युरींग द नेक्स्ट टर्म ही इज ऑल्सो ट्रायंग टू कम इन टू काँग्रेस. Why is the chief minister quiet against him? Is BJP being run with this narco money, with this drug money? And I want to ask our leaders also if they are in talks with him. Do we want Congress to be run with this drugs money? Now, the gang wars that are happening in Kalamur constituency, you hear every now and then one murder, one rape. When there is drugs, there is going to be murders, there is going to be rapes. There is no security for women because of these drug gangs. And who is responsible for this? Michael Lobo, not according to me and Joseph, according to two members of the Legislative Assembly, Rohan and Palekar. Rohan has gone on record. He has mentioned his name, that Michael Lobo is in this drug trade now. We will write to Rahul Gandhi, we will write to Chidambaram sir, we will write to Venugopal sir. This is what is happening here. More than that, this is a serious allegation. We are going to write to the NCB. The NCB is doing raids all over. The biggest drug raid was done in Kalangut, in Kandulim actually, when Michael Lobo was out of station. Now why is the chief minister and the narcotics people afraid to touch the drug dealers when Michael is in town? He is the one who was saying that I know the names of police officers who are involved in this drug trade. Till today did he give the names? He is not giving the names. That was only to blackmail these police officers saying that don't touch my drug trade. I know your names. Otherwise I will give your names to this. So we allege that Michael is a kingpin based on the statements of Rohan Kaunde, Vinod Palekar. We expect the chief minister to sack him immediately and conduct an inquiry. We expect the NCB, the ED, to carry out an investigation on his dealings.
I take a sound Sutta. He is the biggest touts in Kalangut, where he has claimed a resolution. There will be no touts, there is no this thing. I सरपंच तरी ते डिटेन करता जाल्यार आनी कितें पडलां कित्याक तो सरपंच आपणाच्या पांयच्या फुटस्टेपान चलता. पांय कोण हो MLA कालांगूटचो तेच्या फुटस्टेपान तो चलता. आयज काबार करिनाका कालांगूट आमकां जाय. आमी तुज्या हातीन दिलेले तूं बरें करतलें म्हणून आयज आमकां दोन टर्मांनी कळलें बाबा तूं कितें तो आयज.
मागीर बॉम्ब मारून फायदो ना. आमी आतांच फ्रेश रावन ते बंद करून आमी करतले. थँक्यू. काय सांग आमी कोच म्हाका खबर आसा हिजे प्लेयराक घेवंक जाय पळय तो कमले पांय मोडलेलो घोडो मरे रेसीक बॅट मारूंक जाय तुज्या तेका लेम हॉर्स आफ्टर यू नोईंग दॅट दॅट हॉर्स इज लेम पांव मोडला कॅन यू बॅट इन द हॉर्स पांव मोडलो खेळता आय डोंट नो हाव वॉट यू आर ट्रायंग टू एक्सप्लेन टू मी.
Instead of celebrating Tulsi Vivah and Diwali at home, the para teachers of Goa were forced to celebrate this festival in protest at Azad Maidan on Monday evening. It was the day 13 of the para teachers' protest. They are demanding job regularization and better salaries.
हांव दीपक गांवकर. आमी फाटले 13 दीस हांगासर हंगर स्ट्रायक करता. आयज पळोवंक गेल्यार आमच्या दिवाळी म्हटल्यार हिंदू धर्माचो व्हडलो सण. फाटल्या फावट शिवमान जेन्ना दिवाळीक आमकां घरा चला म्हणल्यार ते विश्वासान आमी ताका मान दिवन आमी घरा गेले. परतून तेणी सांगलें डिस्कशन करया पूण आजून मेरेन कांय जावं ना. आमकां अपॉयंटमेंट फाल्यां करून फुडें ढकलला. आयजचो हो दीस खूब वायट दिसता की व्हडली दिवाळी आयज आमचे पळय महिला टिचरी हांगासर आसात. आयज तेंच्यांनी घरा कडेन आसूंक जाय आसलेले. उपवास आसात तेंचे. उपवास घरा कडेन सोडप आसता. आयज आमचे सगळे मंत्री जांकां आमी आयज सत्तेर हाडला ते आयज घरा कडेन आपल्या फॅमिली वांगडा मनयतात आनी आमी तांकां निवडून हाडली. ही चूक जाली काय आनी तेंचेर विश्वास दवरलो आमी इतली 4-5 वर्सां ह्या सरकाराचेर. ती चूक आमची काय म्हणून आयज आमकां दिसता की सरकारान हांगासर हाडले आमी चुकले काय तांकां सत्तेर हाडून. जे आमी आयज सायलंटली म्हणजे गप आसा तेंचे विश्वास आसा म्हणून एग्रेसीव आमी जावंक नासलेले की आमी करतले कितें तरी आमकां न्याय मेळोवन दितले आनी हो दीस आमचेर हाडचे ना. खूब वायट दिसता. आयज आमच्या फॅमिली वांगडा रावंक जाय. फॅमिली थंय आसा आमची फॅमिली चुकीन हांव फोन करून करून ते रडटा फोनाचेर तुमी नासतना कशें करपाचें आयज खूब वायट दिसता CM सर तुका आमी रिक्वेस्ट करीत आसा तुजेर विश्वास दवरलो पण विश्वास दवरलो आयज करता पण आज खूब हे पळय हांगासर दिवाळी ही घरा कडेन आसून कोणत्या ते आझाद मैदानाचेर आज आमी हांगासर दोळ्यासून दुकां येतात पण कितें करतले तुमकां मात तरी आमची तळमळ आसूंक जाय आसलेली आनी आमचे जे आमदार आसात लोंग पार्टीस आसात तांकां मातशी कळकळ आसूंक जाय आसली की CM सराक मातशें कितें तरी सांगून आमी का खातीर झगडटा आमी काय हे करना फक्त तुमचो आमकां हक्क जाय तो फाटले 13 दीस आमी झगडटा तो आमकां मेळून दिवचो CM सराक लास्ट एकूच रिक्वेस्ट करता काय तरी तोडगो काडून फाल्यां आमकां एक हांगात गेलेच दीस आमची दिवाळी हांगा गेली की फुडलो जो सण आसतो तो उमेदीन घालोवचो आशा बाळगता की फाल्यां आमकां एक कितें तरी बरी बातमी सांगतले आनी तो जो विश्वास दवरला तो कंटिन्यू उरतलो आमी तुमचे वांगडा सदांच आसतले तुमच्या पार्टी वांगडा सदांच काम करतले फक्त आमकां फाल्यां जी तुमी अपॉयंटमेंट दिली ती एक उमेदीची अशी कितें तरी आमकां उमेद हे जाता अशी कितें तरी तुमी फाल्यां शब्द सांगतले आमकां उतर दितले आनी रिटर्न एश्युरन्स दितले अशी आशा बाळगता.
Hotel Park Prime Goa organizes Seafood Festival. Starts from 10th and ends on the 21st of November from 12:30 noon to 3:30 p.m. and 7 to 11 in the night. To serve best authentic seafood to food-loving people of Goa and tourists visiting Goa. The aim is to serve all types of seafood to maximum people at reasonable price. Preparation of seafood in different styles like Indian, Goan, tandoor could also be rawa fry, tawa fry and masala fry. You can enjoy live music, welcome drink and gift coupon to all the guests. Excellent professional team to deliver best service. We have Tulip and Marigold multi-cuisine restaurants available to serve all types of food to our valuable guests. Enjoy amazing fresh mouth-watering delicacies only at Hotel Park Prime, Goa.
Seeking to nail the present BJP government for its abject failures, the TMC has sought to take the battle to the people's court. Over 30 TMC leaders with over 450 volunteers have so far distributed the people's charge sheets to over 15,000 people. The party has received an overwhelming response on the ground.
Got Trinamool Congress fans out. Its 40 constituency distributes people's charge sheet to over 15,000 plus people. Now TMC has decided to take the battle to the BJP government. In their debut political election, TMC has drafted a people's charge sheet to nail the government on every front. In last 72 hours, the party circulated this charge sheet in all 40 constituencies in Goa. TMC leaders received a good response and feedback from the people. Several leaders like Leander Pace met the common people in South Goa and heard their grievances and agreed to take up their fight for justice, especially grievances of the traditional fishermen and sports lovers. While in the north, other leaders such as Lau Mamledar, Francis Atue took part in several campaigns across the state.
The Congress has demanded an inquiry into what is called the defacement, damage and theft of the over 300 years old municipal building restoration case. GPCC President Girish Chorankar said if Chief Minister is not getting any share from this restoration work, he should file an FIR and institute an inquiry. It may be recalled that the issue of restoration work scam was raised by none other than BJP MLA Carlos Almeida, who made allegations against GSUDA under UD Minister Milind Naik.
आणि एक फ्रॉड जाल्लो आसा हेरिटेज प्रॉपर्टीचेर त्या हेजेर सीएमाचो शेअर कितलो तो आमकां खबर ना जर सीएमाचो शेअर ना जाल्यार आमी मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन मागतात की इमिजिएटली तें काम बंद करपाची ऑर्डर मुख्यमंत्र्यान दिवची आनी थंय इमिजिएटली एक रेप्युटेड कन्जर्वेशन आर्किटेक्ट जो आसा जो कन्जर्वेशनाचें काम करता हेरिटेज स्ट्रक्चराचें काम करता तेका अपॉयंट करचो आनी तेका अपॉयंट करून हाजे बिल्डिंगेचें कितलें लुकसाण हेणी केल्लें आसा तेजें इन्वेस्टिगेशन करचें तेजी चोरी कितें कितें जाल्ली आसा तें लिस्ट आउट करचें आनी तेजेर इमिजिएटली FIR रजिस्टर करची हेरिटेज एक्टा प्रमाणे कारण हेरिटेज प्रॉपर्टीची डिफेसमेंट जाल्लो आसा डॅमेज जाल्लो आसा आनी चोरी जाल्ली आसा 3 गजालीचेर FIR जावची एक म्हणजे तो डिफेसमेंट आनी डॅमेज जाल्ली आसा आनी तेजी चोरी जाल्ली आसा सो ह्या 3 गजालींचेर FIR रजिस्टर जावची मुख्यमंत्री जर ह्या करप्शनाक इनवॉल्व ना हितूंक ताका शेअर ना जाल्यार मुख्यमंत्र्यान इमिजिएटली डायरेक्ट करचें काम बंद करून एक आर्किटेक्टाक प्रॉमिनंट आर्किटेक्ट जाका हेरिटेज स्ट्रक्चराचेर एक्सपर्टीज आसा ताका घालून तेजेर इन्क्वायरी करची पयली इन्क्वायरी करून इमिजिएटली FIR रजिस्टर करचो आनी इमिजिएटली इन्वेस्टिगेशन करून त्या 6 crore rupees आसा तेजे रिकॉर्ड करप.
Chief Minister Pramod Sawant, government and press should always work together in the interests of the people. He said press should showcase achievements and shortcomings of government. He called for factual reporting while speaking at the National Press Day celebrations on Tuesday. Sawant gave directions to increase the prize money of the Lifetime Achievement Award. He also proposed to increase the pensions of journalists to give them a handsome amount after retirement, provisions for which will be made in the next budget. Applications of journalists for laptop and camera would also be fast-tracked, he assured.
Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant announces to enhance journalist pension and prize money for Lifetime Achievement Award. He said the press should showcase achievements and shortcomings of the government. He called factual reporting while speaking at the National Press Day celebration. Senior journalist Gurudas Singhbal was given the Lifetime Achievement Award while other journalists were also felicitated. A photo contest on hinterland tourism was organized on the occasion of the National Press Day on Tuesday.
सरकार जर एखादी गजाल चुकता विरोधक वाट पळयतले केन्ना इलेक्शन येता तेन्नाची एका कितें ते शिकवायला बट तुमी केन्ना दाखयतले आत्तां चुकला तेन्ना ते आतांच दाखयतले आनी ते परत सुदरपूय बी सरकाराचें काम आसा इन द इंट्रस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आमी सगळे जाण इन द इंट्रस्ट ऑफ द पीपल काम करता लोकांचो इंट्रस्ट तो आमचो इंट्रस्ट तो तुमचो इंट्रस्ट तूं 2-3 गजाली म्हाका मुद्दामून सांगल्यो एक इट इज एन लायफ टायम अचिवमेंट अवॉर्ड हाजी प्रायस डेफिनेटली वाडोवपाक जाय म्हजें मत आसा आनी हांव म्हणजे ऑफकोर्स ह्या वर्साक आतां आमी तुवें ऑलरेडी दिली आमी वाडोवपाक शकना बट ताची दखल घेवन आमी ह्या वर्साच्यानूच एडमिनिस्ट्रेटीव डिसिजन घेता तेजें फायनान्शियल प्रोविजन हें केल्या वयतलें सेक्रेटरी इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड डायरेक्टर शूड टेक नोट यू मूव द फायल फॉर द लायफ टायम अचिवमेंट अवॉर्ड डेफिनेटली उरलेले लायफ टायम अचिवमेंट अवॉर्ड आसा ताच्या कंपॅरिजनान ती प्रायज येवपाक जाय ती प्रायज अमावंट डेफिनेटली खरें म्हणजे पत्रकारांची पेन्शन जी आसा ती वाडपाक जाय हें म्हाजें मत आसा बट ह्या वेळारूय बी हांव बजेट करता आसतना तुजो विचार करतालो बट कोविडाच्या काळांत तेजो चड विचार हांव करपाक शकलो ना कारण फायनान्शियल क्रंचीस खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणात आशिल्ले पण निश्चितच रित्या तुमी सजेस्ट केल्या त्या प्रमाणे ती व्यवस्थित रित्या वाडची एक हँडसम एमावंट जी आसा ही आफ्टर रिटायरमेंट आनी ताच्या खातीर एक सस्टेनेबल स्कीम कॉर्पस फंड घालून सस्टेनेबल स्कीम डिझायन करची पडटली ती आमी हांव म्हज्या डायरेक्टरांक इन्फॉर्मेशन दिता जेणे करून फुडल्या बजेटांत ती मांडली वयतली आनी तेजोय बी जो आसा ती वाडली वयतली तेज्या व्यतिरिक्त तुमचो लॅपटॉप कॅमेरा
Hotel Park Prime Goa organizes Seafood Festival. Starts from 10th and ends on the 21st of November from 12:30 noon to 3:30 p.m. and 7 to 11 in the night. To serve best authentic seafood to food-loving people of Goa and tourists visiting Goa. The aim is to serve all types of seafood to maximum people at reasonable price. Preparation of seafood in different styles like Indian, Goan, tandoor could also be rawa fry, tawa fry and masala fry. You can enjoy live music, welcome drink and gift coupon to all the guests. Excellent professional team to deliver best service. We have Tulip and Marigold multi-cuisine restaurants available to serve all types of food to our valuable guests. Enjoy amazing fresh mouth-watering delicacies only at Hotel Park Prime, Goa.
Despite the High Court directions, the setting up of the material recovery facility at Santa Cruz is hanging fire. After facing opposition from the people at several shortlisted sites, the Panchayat has now zeroed in on Alto Santa Cruz. Sarpanch stated that the Panchayat wishes to now erect a shed with police protection due to opposition from the people. People are saying they were not taken into confidence. They say that they are not against the material recovery facility and have suggested an alternative site. They say the Panchayat has no NOC for the present site.
तुमी आतां फॉवर्ड वयतले ते 17 तारखेक
आमी घालूंकूच जाय आमकां ना जाल्यार आमकां गोवा हायकोर्टाचें आमी हें करचें ना मागलां कित्याक सांग लोक थंयसर आमी बोर्ड घालून गेल्ले खंयचे आमची हें परमिशनां सगळीं आसा न्हू ते बोर्ड लावन गेल्ले थंय आमकां ओपोज केले आमी 4 जाण मेंबर गेल्ले थंय आमकां ओपोज केले लोक हे येयले गाळी नाका हात लावं नाका थंय आमी मातशें भियेले कित्याक सांग फुडले फावट आमी थंय प्लांट उबो करतलो जाल्यार हे लोक आमकां हें करता न्हू ताका लागून आमी पोलीस प्रोटेक्शन मागलां
17 तारीख कितें म्हण प्लॅन आहा तुमचो
आमी टेम्पररी शेड थंय घालताले पयलीं आनी थंयच हरशीं घालता सेग्रिगेशन थंय करता तोच जागो आमी कवर करतले आनी तितून भितर सेग्रिगेशन करतले आनी वेलिंग करतले
ते कोर्टाक दाखोवपाक जाय तुमकां
कोर्टाक दाखोवंकूच जाय आमी करता म्हणून चालू नाजाल्यार अदरवायज कोर्ट मानिना
लास्ट डेट केन्ना
हरशीं आमी सेग्रिगेशन सदांच करता डेली हावस टू हावस सगळें धाडटा आमी सालिगांव ड्रायव्ह धाडटा
आमी सांगला फकत एकूच विचारला तुमची एनओसी दाखोया एक एनओसी ना विदाउट एनओसी ते पुलीस प्रोटेक्शन घेवन येवंक सोदता आय वॉन्ट टू क्वेश्चन द पुलीस ओ कलेक्टर हुएवर यू आर गिविंग पुलीस प्रोटेक्शन विदाउट एनओसी जो मनीस इल्लीगल करूंक सोदता ताका तुमी पुलीस प्रोटेक्शन कशें दितले आज कितें जाल्लें आहा हिंगा चर्च आहा कॉन्वेंट आहा आनी हांकां हेणी लेटर धाडला इफ इंजुरी जाली जाल्यार तुमकां मारून कितें जाल्यार आमी जबाबदारी ना हाची डिक्टेटरशीप ही जुलूमशाही ही पंचायत चलयता अशी आमकां दिसून आयिल्ली आहा आनी आमचो आयचो निशेध जाल्लो आमी बरे भशेन तेका विचारून गेल्ले तेणी आमकां आपोवंक ना पूण आमी तांकां समजोवपाक गेल्ले पळय बरे भशेन करूं जाता आमी तांकां प्रपोजल दिल्लो 126 सर्वे नंबर बारवान हाचेर तुमी दुसरो प्रपोजल करा 100 मिटर्स आनी 200 मिटर्स आनी एक पासून रेसिडेन्स ना सो तुमी तो आनी तेणी आमकां आश्वासन दिल्लें 2 ऑक्टोबर ग्रामसभाक आमी तितून पळयतले आमी लोकां बरोबर रावतले
Goa CAN and government officials inspected the Mapsa Kadamba bus stand site regarding encroachments by tea stalls and other outlets. However, the KTCL and Transport Department officials did not turn up for the inspection, alleged Goa CAN. These encroachments are causing a lot of problems to passengers, especially the senior citizens, since they are put up near the passenger seating areas.
Today at the Kadamba bus stop, regarding the encroachment of the seating area of where they have built a shop, a tea stall. So we have measured the full structure and they have passed it off. But the Kadamba, not Kadamba, the KTC person who was supposed to come for the inspection has not turned up. And KTC, it looks like KTC is not interested in doing the inspection. Last time when we came, the shutters were not there. This time the shutters have been put. That means they are not stopping the work. The work has been progress. And citizens, senior citizens and whatever people sitting area has been taken over. And people have to sit in the sun. There is no 3-4 places are gone.
Notice that elderly people are sitting outside in the sun, and this place which is belonging to the senior citizens is encouraged. And we want to bring this to the notice of the government.
Though there are many good Samaritans, one should know to do the right thing in case of an accident to help the victim and save his or her life. The authorities have released a golden hour video to create awareness about reaching out to accident victims. This video and awareness program will be organized across all panchayats and other areas to make people aware and save precious lives.
The North Goa District Road Safety Committee, under the chairmanship of the North Goa Member of Parliament, had fixed up the launch of the Golden Hour video, which is very, very crucial for road safety. So this video, prepared by Directorate of Health Services and GVK EMRI, was released at the hand of Additional Collector Mr. Gopal Parshekar today in the Collectorate Conference Hall. Now this is a very important process. It's the first step wherein people can know what is to be done in the first 1 hour of an accident. As you know, there are many, many cases of people having road accidents, and many people want to help, but sometimes the help that they want to give can be the wrong type of help. So sometimes there is an orthopedic problem, sometimes there is a obstruction in the throat, so forcing somebody to drink soda or lifting the person wrongly can be of a dangerous thing. Now, one of the demands of the members of the committee was to bring in a full-fledged program on first responder training also. And today that was announced that the first responder training of 1 day will be available to panchayats, municipalities and other sections of the society to know how best we can save people in road accidents. In fact, we are very keen that this has happened because as part of our program on Child Rights Week, today we are focusing on road safety. So this video will be another help. At the same time, we want people to remember that on Sunday, that is 21st November, is the World Day of Remembrance for Road Traffic Victims. So we must always think that we can help somebody in a road accident, and nobody should be worried that the police will harass them, because now they are all covered under the Good Samaritan law. So any person helping a patient to be taken to the hospital, you are covered under the Good Samaritan law, and we are very happy that this first initiative today of the launch of this video has taken place.
Hotel Park Prime Goa organizes Seafood Festival. Starts from 10th and ends on the 21st of November from 12:30 noon to 3:30 p.m. and 7 to 11 in the night. To serve best authentic seafood to food-loving people of Goa and tourists visiting Goa. The aim is to serve all types of seafood to maximum people at reasonable price. Preparation of seafood in different styles like Indian, Goan, tandoor could also be rawa fry, tawa fry and masala fry. You can enjoy live music, welcome drink and gift coupon to all the guests. Excellent professional team to deliver best service. We have Tulip and Marigold multi-cuisine restaurants available to serve all types of food to our valuable guests. Enjoy amazing fresh mouth-watering delicacies only at Hotel Park Prime, Goa.
The Goa Yoga team returned victorious with silver medal from National Yoga Championship on Tuesday. The National Yoga Championships were held at Bhubaneswar from 11th to 13th November. This is the first ever National Yogasana Championships held in India.
I was the state head coach, accompanied the team. We were 16 members, and it was a proud moment for us to announce that we got 1 silver medal and 2 bronze medal, and plus we got a team championship, and we stood a third at All India level Yogasana Championship organized by National Yogasana Federation. And from out of 14 members, 2 members we are selected for Khelo India, and we very proud moment for a Goa state.
We got silver in the group competition, and Neeral got bronze in single Yogasana. So I'm very proud of my team and my children.
Thus, my experience was wonderful. It was a tough fight with Maharashtra's and other states, and I prayed to God that in other nationals we will surely get a gold for Goa.
गोयची टीम भुवनेश्वर हांगासर नॅशनल योगा चॅम्पियनशीप जाली, तेतून विनर जावन आयिल्ली आसा, आनी फर्स्ट टायम गोंयान इतल्या प्रमाणान मेडल्स जी आसात ती योगासनान मेळिल्ली आसात. सो आय एम प्राउड ऑफ माय प्लेयर्स and proud of my coaches as well as of parents, those who have taken hardship to achieve this great success. So first time गोंयान एक सिल्वर मेडल आणि 2 ब्रॉन्झ मेडल मेळिल्ली आसात, आणि मोठ्या प्रमाणान सबंद ऑल ओवर इंडिया सगळे जे स्टेट्स पार्टिसिपेट जाले तेतून थर्ड नॅशनल लेवलाचेर रँक जो आसा तो आमच्या गोंयान मेळिल्लो आसा, अँड इट्स अ ग्रेट अचिवमेंट फॉर गोवा. अँड गोंयान योगासनान आपलें नांव जें आसा तें वयर पावयल्लें आसा, आनी दीस क्रेडीट गोज टू ऑल दीस प्लेयर्स अँड ऑल दीस चिल्ड्रन्स.
On Monday evening, Hindus all across the state and country celebrated Tulsi Vivah. Tulsi Vivah is a ceremonial marriage of the Tulsi with Amla branch. It signals the end of the monsoon and the beginning of the wedding season in Hinduism. Here are the glimpses of this celebration.
कोरोना जास्त असल्याप्रमाणे बट अजिबात नाशिल्लो, आणि त्यानंतर काही हेजेर आमकां म्हणजे तेंच्यांनी एका भटान हें केल्लें कितें व्हिडिओ सगळ्या हें केल्लो, आनी त्या भटपान आमकां त्या हेजे भटपणाचेर आमी आतां गेल्या वर्सा केली आणि अंदू केली पुजा त्या वेळा, आणि ते एकदम इतलें बरें की खूब म्हणजे सबंद कंप्लीट शास्त्रोक्त तेणी ते हे केल्लें आसा, तितलें तेणी केल्लें आसा सगळें, आनी एकदम पुजा एकदम बरी जाता. आनी हें एकदम बरें आसा. कितें आसा आयज फुडें जालां कितें आयज ब्राह्मण मेळना जास्त, तेन्ना हे प्रत्येक घरांनी हे तेंच्यांनी करचें अशें हांव मागतां.
पूण कोविडाक लागून सेफूय उरता.
हय कितें आसा तें कित्याक हें ना जाल्यार जायना न्हू. अख्खी रात आनी कोण येतले इतले रात मागीर सगळ्यांक भट एकूच भट 40 आतां हांगा कितली घरां आहा 40-45 आसा म्हणटा तो पुजा आनी ती सगळी करून करीत जाल्यार हांगा भातोड जातली.
And now we end the bulletin with the cartoon of the day image. Well, that's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching HCN News. For more news and alerts, please do follow us at O Heraldo on Facebook and Twitter. Until then, goodbye and take care.